Phew. So chapter 1 was quite the ride, wasn't it? So in this chapter we are going to have some light-hearted induction. So let's get to it. So if you remember, in chapter 0 itself, we had, rather than doing the addition, so we had 2, 3, and then instead of doing 2 plus 3, like evaluating the sum, we just wrote 2 plus 3. Similarly here we wrote 2 plus 2 times 3. We didn't really evaluate the sum, and then we wrote 2 times 2 plus 3 times 3. Again, we didn't evaluate the sum, and we said so on. So we did this with a special case. So how about we do a general case? So we have fn plus 2 is equal to fn plus 1, and fn plus 3 is equal to fn plus 2 plus fn plus 1, and I can also write that using this equation as fn plus 2 times fn plus 1. Similarly, fn plus 4 is fn plus 3 plus fn plus 2, which is using this equation, that is fn plus 1 plus 2 times fn plus 2. And again using this equation, we have this is equal to 2fn plus 3fn plus 1. And as you can see, we are getting the Fibonacci sequence inside the Fibonacci sequence again, and that's to be expected, right? That special case wasn't really so special that things will change so rapidly. So now what we'll do is we'll generalize the pattern. So I'll say dot dot dot, and notice that we have fn plus 4 over here, and this is f3 and this is f4. So when we do fn plus 4, we have f3 and f4. So when I do fn plus m, I will have fn times fm minus 1 f3 plus fn plus 1 times fm f4, and that gives us the identity from chapter 1 once again. And this time we did some induction based on the observation that we made in chapter 0.